In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Xbox controller to your Google Pixel tablet. So what you want to do is go into settings, and in the settings page on the left hand side panel you want to tap on connected devices. Now here's where you'll find the option to pair a new device, and this is what you want to do. But before you can do that, you'll have to, number one, turn on your Xbox controller by tapping on the Xbox button like that. And then you want to put your Xbox controller in pairing mode. So turn it like that, and this is the button you want to press, the pairing button. You want to press and hold for about 3 seconds. So press and hold until you see it rapidly blinking like that. And now this will signify that it's in pairing mode. So come to your Google Pixel tablet and tap on the pair new device option. Let it search for the controller, and as you can see, it has already detected the wireless controller. So tap on Xbox wireless controller. It's going to pair and ask you to confirm that you want to pair. Tap on that, and the Xbox wireless controller is now paired to your Google Pixel tablet. As you can see, the light has stopped blinking and is now stable, and now you can use your Xbox controller on your Google Pixel tablet. And that's how to connect your Xbox controller to your Google Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions in the comment section down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.